Imagine crafting Facebook ads so captivating, they spread like wildfire, all powered by the magic of AI. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to creating viral user-generated content, or UGC, for your Facebook ads, all with the help of artificial intelligence. Gone are the days of struggling for content ideas or relying solely on traditional creatives. First, we need to understand what makes content relatable and shareable. Think authenticity, unique perspectives, and sparking genuine emotion or utility. I can help us identify trends and understand what your target audience actually wants to see and share. Step 1. Ideation with AI. Will use AI tools to analyze popular content within your niche. These tools can highlight trending topics, common pain points your audience faces, and even suggest creative angles that have proven to resonate in the past. Step 2. Scripting and storyboarding with AI. Feed your AI tool with the insights gathered. Ask it to generate compelling ad scripts that feel like genuine customer testimonials. Focus on scripts that tell a mini story or offer a quick, impactful solution. AI can even help you brainstorm visual cues for your UGC. Step 3. AI-assisted content creation. While AI can't physically film your UGC, it can guide your production significantly. Use AI tools to generate background music that matches the mood, suggest visual effects to enhance engagement, and even aid in video editing by identifying the most dynamic clips. Aim for short, attention-grabbing videos that can be easily consumed and understood within seconds. Step 4. Crafting the perfect post. Once you have your AI-enhanced UGC, focus on a compelling headline and a clear call to action. AI can even help you brainstorm variations for your ad copy to test different angles. Encourage engagement by asking questions or prompting users to share their own experiences. By harnessing AI, you're not just creating ads. You're creating conversations. This data-driven approach, combined with authentic storytelling, amplifies brand awareness and drives genuine interest in your products or services. Start experimenting today and watch your Facebook ads go viral.